Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today. We're going to take a look at how to use the Study Center on the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad. Now, in using the Study Center, one of its greatest benefits is to be able to use it for giving lesson studies or Bible studies. Now, how do you do that? It's pretty easy, really. Let's now dive in by opening up the Study Center here. And you can see when I open up my Study Center, I have Barriers broken down folder here that I have created that I want to give a study on. I open it up and it loads for me all of my elements. So I have here ready 7 elements ready to give a study with. So I open up the first one, and when it opens up, I can now talk and present it. And when I'm ready, I just tap on the next one on the navigation in the bottom left-hand corner, and it takes me to the second, and I tap it again, and it takes me to the third. So in the middle of your Bible study, if you're giving a presentation and someone has a question, you need to look that up, that's not a problem. You can tap out onto search, and you can search for a word. And then when you get your results, you can open it up and jump into the result and talk to them about that. And then when you're ready to pick up your Bible study again, all you need to do is tap on the little Bible study navigation and it will take you to your next point. Now, if you need to step back and review, you can always navigate back, and you can navigate forward again. And when you're finished with your Bible study and you want to close it out, in the middle, the little X, you just tap that and it closes. So that's how you use the EGW Writings 2 app as your study center tool to present Bible studies or lesson studies or sermons. I hope this little tech tip has helped you as you share the good news of salvation for all. Have a nice day.